So hello everyone, and I welcome you all once again to the uh, today's session for the structural detailing of one-way slab. So I am going to discuss about the structural detailing of one-way slab. Okay. So here we have the given data. So we have to draw a plan and section along both the span, that is along shorter span and always uh, even along the longer span for one-way slab with the following data. Okay. Then it is given the room size is 4000 by 6000. Okay. The width of supporting wall is 400 mm. Thickness of slab is 150 and the clear cover is 20 mm. And the reinforcement details are the main reinforcements 10 mm dia at 200 mm center to center. Distribution steel we have 8 mm dia at 200 mm center to center. Okay, so this is regarding the reinforcement. So I have the sketch of the prepared sketch of one-way slab. Okay, so we have to prepare the detailing like this. So for the given room size and the given detailing part. Okay, so we'll start with the detailing now. So when you open AutoCAD, first of all you have to save the file. Then you have to fix the units. UNITS. You have to fix the units. So units are, you check whether it should be in millimeter, so you say okay. Then after that you have to go for limits. Okay, so limits, first the lower left corner, this should be always 0, so say enter. Then the upper right corner, so 50,000 by 50,000 it is there. Okay, but it is not enough to have that, so I'll make it I'll change that for the 1 lakh to 1 lakh. Okay, I'll make 1 lakh to 1 lakh. I'll increase the area because the room size is itself 4000 by 4000, or we can make it 50,000 or 50,000 also. So I'll make it enter. So it will be by default 50,000 by 50,000. So then say zoom enter, all enter. Okay, always after fixing the limits you have to say zoom enter, all enter. Okay, now we'll fix the slab size. So slab is again rectangle. You have to fix the dimensions. The length of the this thing is 6000, so 4000. Okay, 4000 by 6000. Enter. Okay, yes. Now if you see the room size is, this weight is 4000 and this weight is 6000. Okay, again if you want to check with dimensions, D, so you have to go to dimensions, linear. Yes, it is 4000 by 6000. Yes, correct. Now you have to show the detailing part. Before that, yes, even you have to show the wall thickness. The wall thickness is 300 mm. You can see here the wall thickness is 300 mm. So you have to show the wall thickness. So I'll give offset of wall thickness, that is 300. Okay, so offset of 300 mm. Okay, so I'll just explode this, delete this, I'll extend. Now this is below the slab, so you have to make it hidden. So for hidden you have to make it dotted line again, so it is already, so if it is not there, as I told you, you have to go to by layer for line, you have to go to other and you have to go to load. After load you have to go to ISO dash space, select that, say OK and say OK. So you select that line and match with this. Okay, so if still it is not this thing, so what you can do, wait a minute. So here you can change the scale by giving the property. So what you can do, you select that, say right click, then say properties. So you can change the scale here. I'll make it 5, so we'll see what will happen. Okay, now 5 is enough because the scale has changed here. So you can say match property, you want to match this now. So go to modify, match properties, sorry, modify, match property, select this and select this, so property will get match. Okay, then you have to show the detailing part now. So the detailing part is uh, the main bars. What you have to do, give main bars 10 mm dia, 200 mm center to center. Okay, so for that what you have to do, you draw a line here. Okay, so line, I'll make it on, so line. Okay, I'll use line here now. Okay, so the distance is 200 mm center to center. So the two bars, but these bars are alternate bent up, and the bent up is at a distance of, I think, L by 7. So it is given at a distance of 0.1 L, 0.1 L. Okay, so 0.1 L means it is 400. Okay, it should be 0.1 L's. Okay, 0.1 L, so it is 400. So offset, I'll make it as, so I'll take it as 600. That will be 600 here. So from here the bar should get bent. Okay, so you can make it like this and like this by, and then you can trim this side, it should be straight. Okay, so but cover, I'll make it, you can give offset of 30 mm and delete, or you can make it like this also. And we have the next bar, so we can copy, you can copy this CO, we can copy this 200 mm center to center, and you can mirror. Okay, you can rotate this, you can rotate this, so RO, rotate, you can select anywhere, or yes, better you have to mirror. Okay, better you will mirror that, so MI, mirror, so you select, mirror, yes, so, yes, so this is little bit this side, you can see go that, yes, now you can see, I delete this. Okay, so we have the main bars 10 mm dia at 200 mm center to center. If you want to check the spacing between the bars is 200 mm center to center. The main bars are 10 mm dia at 200 mm center to center, alternate bent up. The bars are alternate bent up. So one side it is bent, so you can see one side it is bent, one side straight. The next bar will be at alternate side it will bend, and other side it is straight. Okay, it is at 200 mm center to center. And we have the main bars straight, main bar straight, so you can draw a line here, and for that you can view again offset of, or can show like this, cover, cover. Okay, and that is also, I think it is at a distance of 200 mm center to center, so that is at a distance of 200 mm, so offset 200, yes, correct. So the main bars at the alternate bend up, and the straight bars at again 200 mm center to center. So we have drawn the plan. So if you want, you can view the layer again here. If you want to mention with layer, you can view. So here bars, and for the brick masonry you can change, I'll make a green color. Okay, not changing, so better I delete this and prepare one more. Wow. Okay, I'll prepare one more, so that is for concrete, CON. I'll use yellow color. Okay, apply. Okay. Okay, so for concrete I'll make it yellow color. Okay, this is now correct. Now we'll draw the cross section. So for that, what you can do, you can extend the lines. L you can use, then I'll extend, then same I'll extend here. And for wall thickness also I'll extend. Yes. Okay, then we'll draw the line here for slab, and the slab thickness is 150, so offset I'll use 150. Yes, then I'll trim this. Even this also. Okay, then we have to give the offset of 30 for cover. Okay, then you have to show the bent up, so I'll copy this only there. Then you can reduce again. This we can take it down. Okay, then you can join. Yes, then we can again mirror this. So at from midpoint you can mirror. Yes, this also you change the color as a bars. Okay, now you can see the alternate bars we have, and even we have to show the distribution sheet, that is you can see in the dots. So for that also you can, or you have to show the cover here. You have to match property. So on this side also you have to prepare. Okay, then you have to show the bars, the distribution bars, circle. Okay, so these bars you can copy at a distance of 200 mm. So F8, so you have to give 200, enter. Yes. So then you can, if you want, you can copy again with respect to base point. So I'll use this base point and I'll copy. Okay, same you have to copy throughout. Okay, once if you do, you can select all the bars and say CO. Yes, so here you have to adjust little bit. That is not a problem. So here now, so here after this you have to show the dimensions now. So the dimensions are, this is the slab thickness, span, this is effective span, sorry, clear span, and the room size is this you have to show. Okay, it is showing mirror here. This is not a big problem, you can adjust that. You can edit also this. Okay, say okay. If there is a small error, you can edit this. So this is cross section. this is plan. So again text, you have to go to draw, text, multi-line text. So again here you have to show, so I'll change this and make it 75 plan. Okay. So we can say okay, so this is plan. So still if you want to increase, so you have to go to right click properties, so you can change the text height. I'll make it 100 if you want, still you can change. So this is plan. Okay, so now what you have to do here, other data, you have to show the detailing part. So for that you have to use leader again. Text, you can copy this and you can edit. Main bars or main steel, at 200 center to center. This also you can change. You can still much decorative we can prepare drawing. So main steel, or now this distribution steel, DIST dot distribution steel, that is 8 at 200 center to center. Okay, same we can copy and show it here. So the distribution steel will be like, can copy, this is regarding distribution steel, or you can prepare leader again. Still you can increase the diameter of bars. Copy this and edit. Again you have to do a leader. Main steel. Yes, this is regarding the cross section and plan. So still you can increase the height here and make it 150, 200 and 200. So plan, and this is cross section. At A-A. So you have to show the cross section still here. Even you have to draw cross section at, okay, even you have to draw the cross section along the longer span. Okay, you have to draw the cross section on longer span, that is along this. So we have prepared the cross section along shorter span. Okay, at A is nothing but shorter span, still you have to prepare the cross section along the longer span. So this is regarding the detailing part of one-way slab. So regarding this also, if you get any doubts or any queries, you can write it in comment box or you can contact me. Okay, thank you. So you have to prepare with this. Okay, thank you.